Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Discover this stunning 2024 built modern home featuring 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and approximately 1,457 square feet of floor space. Located in the gated community of Orange Bay Country Club, Hanover. Enjoy 24-hour security, a swimming pool, and a children's play area in this upscale community. The open concept design features a sleek modern kitchen, spacious living areas, and a luxurious primary suite. Located just minutes from Negril's 7 Mile Beach, Rick's Café, and the top resorts, this home offers the perfect blend of comfort and convenience. Don't miss this rare opportunity. Schedule a viewing today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 360,000, Jamaican 56.7 million, Canadian 515.3 thousand, or 279.8 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.